Joining me now for a look at the day's closing numbers, Andrew Dittberner, Senior Investment Manager from Cannon Asset Managers. Cannon, welcome to the show, Andrew. Cannon are deep value managers right now. So I'm guessing that if you're looking at stock prices falling off, you're looking at the likes of the platinum miners.
Yeah.
Or not yet.
It's an interesting one. Resources are very difficult for deep value managers or value managers in particular. They're cyclical. It's a commodity cycle. It's very difficult to look backwards, to look forwards. So yeah, it's a tough one. Platinum, precious metals, gold as well. You've seen the gold counters come off this year as well. So they are beginning to stick their head up. We don't have any direct exposure at this stage to platinum. However, we do have some indirect exposure through African Rainbow Minerals, likes of Anglo.
We're talking about African Rainbow Minerals, almost 5% in the red today. So not a good day for that stock. Why do you like that stock? Why do you hold that stock still?
You know, African Rainbow Minerals, it's a very interesting one, and we don't really understand why it's been hammered the way it has been. It owns 50% of Assmang, which is also, well, the other 50% is owned by Assor. That's Assor's only asset, and when you look at what Assor's busy doing, Assor's performed exceptionally well. ARR hasn't, and that's surprising to us. On top of the 50% Assmang asset that ARR hold, they've also got platinum interests, gold interests. They own 15% of Harmony Gold, and it was a few weeks ago that Assor actually had a bigger market cap than African Rainbow Minerals. So this is very interesting, and it offers us a value to get Assor's assets at a deep discount. Obviously, you have to take into account the cash on the balance sheet, the debt structures of the two different businesses, but looking at the enterprise value, to us, it doesn't make sense. We think you can get exposure to Assor through ARR at a deep discount, hence our position.
Staying somewhat in the mining sector today, late into the trading day, we had Barloworld coming out with that update, largely anticipated. They are going to get that Bucyrus distribution business in Southern Africa. What are your thoughts on that? Because the stock closed down by 3% today, but I suppose the market had very little time to digest that news.
Yeah, it came out fairly late, so I wouldn't read too much into what the stock market did. It makes sense. The acquisition definitely makes sense. They are the leader in mining equipment or providing mining equipment to Southern Africa or Sub-Saharan Africa. So from that point of view, strategically, yes, it makes sense. It gives them a wider range of equipment to offer. As with any acquisition, the key point is the price that they pay for it. They paid $175 million. I haven't had the time to go and look take a deep look at the numbers. Time will tell. They do say that it is going to be value accretive on the full year, and they show you the revenue stream that they expect to get from it from the full year.
Do you hold Barloworld? Do you like Barloworld? Attractive at 82 roundabout.
Do you know what?
Right
It's
now?
a fantastic business. They had great numbers last week, which we all saw, but we think it's all in the price. They're trading a P of around 15 times. That's not expensive, but it's definitely not at your deep value levels that you can get some other South African focused industrial
certainly the likes
companies.
of Anglos and BHP not at those levels right now. Thank you so much for joining us today, Andrew.
Thanks a lot. Thank you.